you doing? I hope you are having a good weekend. At least I was when I recorded this. Who knows when it'll be up? That is why you should make sure you subscribe to my channel, because that way you'll never miss an upload. You can also ring a notification bell because I upload at funny times. You can share this video when you're done and give me a thumbs up. Look, I got that in there even quicker than normal. Okay, we are here for Roccabox. This is a £10 beauty box plus P&P. It now comes in eco-friendly cardboard packaging so that you can dispose of it in an even kinder way. Do you want to see what's inside? All right. Let's get into the video. So when I open the lid, I get this. And then when I take that out, I get this. Loads of goodies. So I really like this. Love tulips, beautiful. Hey girls, the weather is getting warmer, the days are getting longer, which means one thing, spring is on its way. It's time to hang up our winter beauty products and have a spring clean of our makeup bags and bathroom cabinets. Throw out all the bits that you don't use, don't like, or have had since before last October, helping you to feel fresher and better. We have some amazing goodies this month to give your beauty a fresh new feel. Since last October, oh my goodness, I've got tons of things that I haven't used. Nexus Encapsulate Serum with Caviar. Never seen or heard of this before. Looks fancy. 2 to 5 pumps in your hair for shorter lengths, 4 to 8 for longer hair, and lock in a weightless moisture suitable for wet and dry hair. What are you? Enriched with concentrated elastin protein, this encapsulated serum formula reveals healthy looking hair throughout the day. Replenishing up to 14 days of lost proteins in just one use, this powerful serum restores hair fibres to unlock beautiful strength and movement. Restores hair fibres. How do you know if your hair fibres are unrestored? I'm going to have to look this up, aren't I? Every time. Okay, so they have different products for frizzy hair, fine hair, dry hair and damaged hair. Fine. This is for dry hair. Delivered intense moisture without weighing hair down. Born in a salon and perfected by science, Nexus system is crafted with proteins extracted from nature's most precious ingredients. Pop this on after you have washed and conditioned or hair masked your hair. You can put it on wet or dry hair for a luminous shine. It helps replace proteins that are lost when you wash your hair. That is the answer. You can repeat application throughout the day as necessary, so I guess if it makes your hair shiny, you want to use more. It will smooth the hair surface to visibly restore it back to its pre-damaged state. If you know what your pre-damaged state looks like, then I guess you can compare. They are cruelty-free, but it doesn't say anything about them being vegan. And they've got a whole range to do marvellous things. So I guess I should try some, right? Oh, we're going to play this game. You know, you get something new and you have to pump it like 60,000 times. 17. Right, so that is a full pump. What am I supposed to do with it? Should I just put it over here? Not sure how keen I am on that scent, but maybe it'll grow on me. Kind of reminds me of like kids' baby shampoo. Right, there's one lot of ends, there's another lot of ends. Better? Worse? Don't think they're particularly extra shiny yet. They're only shiny because they're wet. I will just have to see how it goes. Look at this, tags always trying to escape and ruin my videos. I might try out my hair when it's wet as well. I think it will go further. Yeah, fine. You know, I'm not that excited about hair products ever, but it can't hurt, and maybe it'll be something I'll pop on when my hair's getting a bit frizzy and I'm trying to calm it down, treat my hair that way. Yeah, it's worth a shot, isn't it? Right, next up are these, and I haven't seen anything like this in a beauty box ever. So I think this is literally a first for me, which is not bad after, you know, 2 years of beauty boxes. So this is gel matte gel nail stickers, and they look like this. They've got shiny bits on them. They're easy to use, simple to apply, and with a fabulous look. Mix and match with a variety of colours and patterns. Clean your nails before, apply the nail smoothly until it's wrinkle free, and file the edge of the gel nail sticker all around your nail. I was going to say it's not something for me, but I could actually put these on my nails, so I'm not sure any of them are wide enough for my big fat thumbs. Is that one sheet or two? So this is it. Don't mess it up. Get 11 of each size and patterns. So you can do your nails twice and hopefully you should find one to fit everything in that set. I think these ones on the end would fit my thumb. And then you get a nail file in the back as well, which is handy. That is quite a cool way to get a nail change. If you're like me and you can't even imagine having steady enough hands do something like this, that would be handy. I'm not uber keen on the colours, but you know, I'm sure they're fashionable, I'm just not fashionable. You've got a 30% discount on gel nail stickers. Shop the full range at mepsy.co.uk. One use per user. So, Roccabox 19. If you are excited by this and you want to go and do it, go for it now. Be the first one. Discover the latest trend in Korean beauty, gel nail stickers made from real gel ingredients and designed by nail professionals. Passat gel nail stickers provide a convenient, easy way to achieve gel nail art at home. And you may get different designs. The ones that I can see on this page are like pink and gold, whereas these ones are brown. Now here's something that I'm seeing that I don't want to see. Remember this? Oh yes, it's back. Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water, 99% natural. How many times have I had this? I think this is like my 5th time now. Come on guys, give us a different product. It's fine. It does cleanse. It has a bit of an odd scent, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's not horrible, but it's not my favourite scent. A chamomile infused cleansing water with natural peptides to boost hydration and radiance with a sweep of a cotton pad. Its non-drying, no rinse formula is designed to refresh and soothe skin with ease. So this is fine, but it's tiny. Free from parabens, DEA, mineral oils, sulfates, PEGs, petroleum, silicones, petroleum, silicones, propylene, glycol, microbeads, artificial fragrances and colours. Had it before, it does work. Just not excited to see it again, basically. Featuring a blend of hydrating, anti-aging and calming ingredients, it's the perfect quick cleansing solution. Innovative tripeptide complex mimics broken down collagen, tricking cells into producing more, plumping wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid hydrates and prevents moisture loss, while chamomile calms and soothes. So it does sound like it has got a whole bunch of things that are good for your skin. And as they're telling us to refresh our beauty kit, I guess giving us more of this isn't the end of the world. And I can use you up quickly because you're only little. Now this, what is this? It is from Lord & Berry and it is a black pen looking thing like an eyeliner, but this says Shodō. This is number 1112 Intense Black. It's a stylographic eyeliner. Okay, made in Japan. It looks just like a felt tip pen. Oh, it's a brush. I'm just doing some lines. I have to say the colour's not that strong. Let me just give it the full whack. That's not great. Let me do it on a different part of my hand. I don't know if you can see what I mean. It's not like the strongest, blackest, boldest line, even though I am literally thinking as hard as I can go. See what I mean? Not sure about that. Lord & Berry eyeliner pen features Japanese calligraphy inspired. Inspired what? What? Nib? Brush? You missed out a word somewhere. That draws precise, thick and superfine lines. It makes it easy to paint on pure, deep colour that will not budge. Pure, deep colour? I'm not sure. Can I do it over this? I like to challenge myself. I'm just going to draw an extra line because I feel like I'm almost at the end of the video. I'm not going to record anything else after this, so why not? Right, I'm going to try and do it like as fat as possible. Lay the whole brush down. You see that? That's over eyeshadow. All that's happened is the eyeshadow is now on my pen. Okay, let's do it on the other side. Well, you can definitely see a line, but it's not coming out as good as my other one, is it? It doesn't do eyelid wrinkles. It is coming out a bit better than I thought actually, but over eyeshadow you do have to go over it a bunch of times. It's much better on foundation, but I'm not sure if I'm getting as still a line as I would like. This feels like it's getting stuck as soon as I hit eyeshadow. It just feels like it's dragging and stuck, and I need to like work really hard to cover that eyeshadow up. It's just dragging. Do you like my mega wing? Like from here it doesn't even look so awful, apart from they're at different angles and different thicknesses. Apart from that, it feels sticky almost. I think it's like other products getting stuck on it. This isn't my favourite. I wouldn't say buy this. My eyeliner from Kiko Milano, that goes over everything smoothly, easily, makes a dark line straight away. I would have filled that in no problem. So yeah, no, I don't like that one. I mean, I'm sure I can use it, but I don't think it's very good. I wouldn't use it when I've got eyeshadow on. Time for a last item, and you know I'm gonna love it because it's a face mask. And it's the Jade sheet mask from Vitamasques. I have had the ruby one, I have had the blue sapphire one, and now I have the Jade one. It says it will balance mind and soothe skin. Made with jade stone powder, spirulina, is that how you say it? And pine for gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, skin therapy and colour therapy. So the colour is meant to do stuff, the scent is meant to do stuff, this is meant to do stuff to your skin, and gemstone therapy, if you believe in it or not, I guess. Can't hurt. A new generation Korean face mask combines skincare with gemstone therapy, aromatherapy and colour therapy to achieve multi-sensory results. This green coloured mask contains jade stone powder and bergamot essential oil to help you balance your mind. At the same time, the green plant extracts such as spirulina and pine help to soothe your skin. And it's a 20-minute mask. It's vegan friendly, mineral oil free, animal cruelty free and phthalate and sulfate free. So all the good stuff and really nice packaging too. If only this came with a, you know, a jade necklace or earrings, that would be nice. I feel like I can see this black out the corner of my eye and it feels like something on my face. Feeling unbalanced, something not quite right, or maybe Mercury is in retrograde? Our 4-in-1 Jade mask is here to balance the mind and soothe the skin. There we go. That is all our items. I'm just going to quickly add this up and I'll be right back. So the grand total of this box is £40.86. I'm happy with that. I think that is good for a, like, you know, £13 box with postage and packaging. Happy. The only thing, well, I say the only thing that I think is weird, I didn't realise that these are £10. £10! I mean, okay, when you go to the nail place and get them to do your nails, maybe it will cost £10. So I guess I kind of see it. But still, £10. Is that a lot or a little bit? You tell me. If anybody knows who's more into nail stuff than I am, is £10 too much for these, or is it a good price? I mean, yes, you do come with a file as well, which is nice. That's all I have to say, really. I think it's an okay box. Personally, for me, I'm only excited about the face mask because I don't think that eyeliner pen's any good. I've had that cleansing water a bunch of times. The nail things I probably won't use, but I understand the idea. They just, I don't know, I'm not that keen on the pattern, but maybe I'm out of tune with what's fashionable and cool these days, I don't know. And the hair stuff, you know, I can take hair stuff or leave it. It'll be interesting to see if I do notice any difference in my hair with all these things. To me, it just looks the same as any other product I put on. How can I tell? I don't know what it looks like. How do I tell if I have bad hair or good hair to start with? Ugh, it's too hard. So if I'd seen what was in this before I ordered it, I wouldn't order it, I don't think. You see, the mask and the pen would have been enough to cover the cost of the box, but I don't like the pen. So, you know, maybe I would have ordered it actually. I just would have been disappointed. I'm not awfully disappointed, it was an okay box. I don't think the goodies are amazing. I do like that we've got a new brand with this Nexus thing and the gel stickers, but the others, I just don't think we should have any more Balance Me water. No, no more in any box. I don't care if you've never had a beauty box before, you can send us something else from Balance Me. Okay, is that fair? Is that a deal? Alright, I'm getting serious now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video anyway and it was helpful to you, and let me know all your thoughts, because, you know, maybe I'm being wrong or mean or whatever. Do you like my new special eye look? Yeah, you impressed? Do you want to copy it? A tutorial on how to make a mess of your eyes is always good. That's enough. I need to go to bed. My tiredness is making me delirious. Until you see me next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.